Alright, this is a window air conditioner that I got off Craigslist for $40. It's part of my scheme, I suppose you might say, idea to collect these things throughout the cooler months and sell them during summer at the flea market. This one I installed in my house. I do have another one sitting over here that is going to be sold, but I'll put this one in. It's 6100 BTU. Brand is Montgomery by Emerson. You can see it's got a knob there for the thermostat. Energy saving mode, which will basically put the fan on auto instead of on. You got different fan speed options and exhaust vent. It's got a filter, which I think I need to clean. Yeah, probably ought to. I'll do that in a little bit. I just put this in this weekend, so. I actually had to take all the planks off, take the siding off outside, which you'll see in a minute, and frame in an opening for this thing. And then I put it all back together inside anyway. Wired in that outlet, which I gotta be careful, because until my central AC gets fixed, this thing's on the same circuit as that big one that's in the window there. Pardon my mess. But that's 15,000 BTU, and that uses 12 amps. This one uses 5.6 or 5.7, something like that. And so, if they're running together, that's obviously more than 15 amps, which is what the circuit is rated for. But once I get that thing out of the window and our central is back, it'll be fine. But like I said, 6100 BTU. Let me show you the outside of that thing. Come on. Need to clean this area up, definitely. But here's the outside. See, I still got some work to do on the wall. But, so you can see we got the Montgomery by Emerson. I just had it running, so there's still condensation dripping out of it. But, it's pretty good thing here. Die ant. I don't need those fucking ants getting in my house. Pardon my French. Those ants are a pain in the ass. Anyway, head back inside of here. Let's show this thing running, shall we? First on to quiet. It works pretty well. It definitely cools off. It's normal, which just increases the fan speed a little bit. And super, which increases the fan speed a little bit more. Honestly, the difference in sound is rather minute. And the compressor's running, so I don't think you're going to see much in the way of energy savings. The only thing you could do would would be to flip that little switch, which would turn the fan off when the compressor goes off. Which, of course, when you have this thing dialed all the way to 10, it pretty much stays on all the time. I had that on there because I've been working in here and I wanted it really cool. But obviously now not. So when we do use it, it'll probably be somewhere around 5, maybe 4. Energy saving mode on. Just to keep it from getting 100 degrees in here. Because we do have this big freaking window, which is actually a sliding door, that I bolted into place when I put this one in. But it gets hot. You know, we're on the back of the thing. There's the AC and conjunction. It actually, you know, it's kind of needed. The vents are angled upwards, so the AC actually blows along here. And then if you have this thing running, it circulates. It gets cool pretty quick in here. So that's it. All I gotta do in here is tie the cord up, so it's not hanging there like that, but I just wanted to make a video to show that thing off because I know there's some people out there who are interested in vintage air conditioners. And the last vintage air conditioner I filmed was a Western Auto 5000 BTU that used an astonishing 9 point something amps. Almost twice as much as this one. And that thing actually is history. So, with that said, I hope you enjoyed checking out the Montgomery Ward air conditioner here. I'm going to be having more air conditioners coming my way.